Good morning students, I am Ramesh. I am studying here to teach EVS for class 4. Today we are going to study about water pollution. Last classes we have studied about air pollution, uh, causes of air pollution and effects of air pollution, control of air pollution we have studied already. Today we are studying water pollution, the causes of water pollution, effects of water pollution and control of water pollution. Students, you know that water is very essential for our daily life. Without water we cannot live. Plants, animals, living beings, we need water. Okay, and we should not be waste the water. Okay, we should not be waste the water. We have to purify the water, and we have to bring the purified water. Students, what is water pollution? How is water got polluted, and what is the prevention for the water pollution, and what is the effect? What is the effect of our body, the water pollution? Okay, the dirty of water due to the human activity is called water pollution. Students, the dirty of water due to human activities is called water pollution. When we are making dirty human body, when we are making dirty that water, that is called pollution. That is called water pollution. The water pollution, how is happening, and what is the control of water pollution, and what is the effect to our body? This water pollution. We will study about causes of water pollution. What is the causes? How is water got polluted? Sewage from house. Students, you know that in our home, in kitchen, we are washing the vegetables, right? We are washing the vegetables, and we are washing our utensils, and we are washing our clothes. The clean water we are making dirty, right? That clean water we are making dirty. That water we are throwing outside. That is water. That water got polluted. And industrial wastage. Students, in our country there are so many hug industries. That industries are throwing the wastage water. Okay, that water is when they are throwing in the river and pond, that water making dirty. That water, when we will take bath, we will get disease, right? And take bathing of animals. When our animals we are bathing in the pond, in the rivers, like that water also causes problem to our body. And agricultural activity. Students, when we are growing our field, that time we are using different type of chemicals, different type of fertilizers, right? That fertilizers and chemicals, when rain is coming, the water flowing from the field to the river, that water bringing pollute water, that bringing to the river, that water make problem to our health, right? The causes, how is water got polluted? Sewage from houses, from our house, and industrial wastage from industries, and bathing of animals from the river and ponds when we are taking bath the animals, and agricultural activities when we are doing agriculture in the field, that time also we are making that to the water. This is the causes of water pollution. And effects. Students, when we are bathing dirty water, we are having some problems, right? The skin problems, and cholera, dysentery, diarrhea, jaundice, and some different type of disease we are suffering through the water pollution. Through the water pollution, cholera, dysentery, diarrhea, jaundice, this type of disease we are getting from the water pollution. And this water pollution, some aquatic animals and plants, they are dying due to the water pollution. Due to the water pollution, aquatic animals and fish and octopus, that water aquatic animals, they are dying due to the water pollution. And we know that the causes of water pollution and effects of water pollution. Today, now we are studying about control of water pollution. How we will control the water pollution? How we control fertilization? Students, when we are drinking water, the water coming from the tank, right? That water when coming, we have to filter in our home, filter it, and that we should drink. And boiling, when we are bringing water, we should drink boiling water. We should drink boiling water, and adding chlorine tablet. In this water, we should add chlorine tablet. We should add chlorine tablet. And we should not throw the garbage outside of the river, pond, oceans. We should not be throw the garbage, river and ponds, oceans like that. Okay, students, we have to control like that. We have to drink filter water, boiling water, and we should use chlorine tablets, and we should not be throw the water garbage in the river. Students, today we learn water pollution, how is water pollute, and what is the effect of water pollution, and how we will control the water pollution. Okay, now I am going to give some questions. You have to write down in your note. Okay, thank you so much.